going to weigh the... What? What? Why, I'm going to weigh this package on the scale. Scale? Oh, why, yes, to tell us how much things weigh. Huh? Well, everything has weight, and the scale tells us how many pounds. Now, look, this is a heavy little package and weighs a little over 2 pounds. See? Yes. Now, Pirro, if you will just stand up, I want to weigh the big package that you're sitting on. All right, now let's see. This weighs... Oh, this weighs a little over 2 pounds, too. No. Well, I thought it... Let's see. Yes, it weighs just the same as the little pack. No. Oh, you can't understand why the big package weighs the same as the little package. Well, Pirro, things don't have to look the same to weigh the same. Oh, you don't think the scale is right. Well, what are you looking for? Looking for another scale? Oh, Pirro. No. Here, I'll find some. No, the scale is right. No, yes, and I'm going to try and find some way to show you that it's right. I think there's a paint can over here. I can. Oh yes, I see it. Now you just find a place to sit, and yeah, that's all right. You'll be able to see it from there. And oh, good, it's empty. All right, now we'll put it right here. There. Now I have to find a board. Oh, I think this one will do. All right. Now, see? Now, if I put the board so that the center is on the can, then one half should balance the other half. There, see? It's balancing. We'll show you. See, now it comes back. That means it's balancing. Oh, you want to try it? All right. Go ahead. Do it again, a little harder. Go on. There you are. Like a seesaw. Yes. All right. Well, Pirro, now to show you what I wanted to... Oh, Pirro, listen to me. Oh, now, Pirro, let's go ahead with what we're doing. You see, I want to find two things that, according to the scale, weigh exactly the same. Then, if they balance each other, it will show that the scale is right. Now, I'll put the things on the seesaw here and here. Well, these two cans should do. Let's see. They look about the same. See how much this weighs. Weighs almost a pound. Now, this, I think this one will weigh the same. Let's see. Yes, this one weighs almost a pound, too. Now, you watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to put one on this end. Now, remember, if they balance, we know that the scale is right. And the other one on this end. Now, let's see. There! They're balancing. Oh, you can test it if you want. Go ahead, you can test it. There, see? Oh, you think they're balancing because they look the same. Oh, no, Pirro. Here, let me get the two packages. I'll just take these off and get the two packages because they don't look the same. But I think now I can show you on our seesaw that they really weigh the same. Now here, remember, here's the big package. And remember that the scale said that the big package weighed a little over 2 pounds. Now I'll put the little package here. And remember, the scale said that the little package also weighed a little over 2 pounds. Do you think they'll balance? You don't? Well, you watch and see. All right. There! They balance each other. The scale was right. Yes, you've learned. You want to test it? Oh, yeah. See, it comes right back. Oh, you want to ride the seesaw. Oh, that would be fun. Well, here, I'll take these off. But first, Pirro, come over to the scale and see how much you weigh so we can find something the right weight. Because if we put on something that's too heavy, it will topple you over. And what do? Oh, you want to ride now. Well, don't you think you should get weighed first? No? Oh, you think the little paint can will be heavy enough? Well, I don't think so, Pirro, but we can, no, it's not heavy. Oh, you want the other little paint can. You think both of them will be heavy enough? No, I don't. Oh, you want the package. Well, Pirro, On top of the paint can? Well, I think that's going to be a little too heavy. Oh, yes, it was too heavy. Oh, Pirro. Well, just jump off. There you. Oh, Pirro, you're all right. You're all right. Now stop. Now, don't you think that you better come over and get weighed so that it won't happen again? Well, I don't think you know how to weigh yourself. Oh, you do? All right. Well, all right. Come show me. There we are, right over here. Oh, yes, that's still working. All right, now here's the scale. And, oh, you're not so sure? Well, I'll give you 3 tries. Yes, we'll give you 3 tries and see if you can figure out how to weigh yourself. All right? Now, here's your first. Uh-huh. That was your first try. That wasn't the way to do it, was it? Can you think of another way? What are you going to do? You have 2 more tries. Oh, thought of something? All right. Let's see what you're going to do now. I don't think that was the right way either. Have 1 more try. Oh, thought of something? All right, this is your last try. Oh, you figured it out. Stop bouncing so we can see how. 3 pounds! Pirro weighs 3 pounds. Well, now, if we can find something else that weighs 3 pounds, we can balance you. All right. Oh, I think this box of bolts will do. It feels a little too heavy, so we'll pour a few out. There we are. Now, you watch. You tell me if this is 3 pounds. Huh? Was it 3? No, that's right. So we're going to have to put in a few more bolts. There we are. Is it 3 pounds yet? No. So we're going to put in a few more, and I think this one will do it. There! 3 pounds. All right. Now, Pirro, you get on one end. We'll put the box of bolts on the other end, and then you can balance. All right? All right. Get on yourself. There you are. Yes, you can do it. There you are. All right. Now, we'll put the box of bolts on this end. Oh, you still don't think the scale was right? Well, we'll dump out a few so that, there we are, and then we'll just put, see it? I know, it's not quite heavy enough yet. But now when we put the bolts back in, I think you'll find that it's just right. There we are. And you ready? There we go. The scale was right. Things don't have to look the same to weigh the same. Oh, Pirro is balancing.